This video will outline the basics of installing ArmorCoat on a semi-truck. Begin by cleaning the area that will be armor-coated with a solvent-based wax and grease remover, then wash with soap and water. Next, mask off the area that will be armor-coated using fine line tape on the edge where you will be spraying. Finish masking the rest of the vehicle to avoid overspray. Then prep the paint surface with a gray scuff pad or fine grit sandpaper. Next, you will want to clean the panel again with solvent-based wax and grease remover, and then blow off any excess dust that may have settled on the panel. Now you are ready to mix the ArmorCoat for spraying. It is recommended that you reduce according to your environment. When applying the first coat, spray a tack coat or a very light coat to begin. Then allow that coat to flash off for 3 or 4 minutes. Apply 6 to 8 medium wet coats of ArmorCoat using a touch test in between coats. You will be ready to apply your next coat when ArmorCoat begins to string. This should be approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Pull the fine line tape immediately after you have applied the last coat. For additional information and support, contact our technical helpline at 800-433-6903.